Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install nmap on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. The process is same for all RHEL versions. Open terminal. Now run. First we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update. This is optional step. You can directly install nmap without running this update packages also. See, it is going to update too many things. No, then I will do this later. Okay, Control L to clear screen. Now install sudo dnf install nmap. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed nmap 7.9. Okay, let us verify nmap version. Nmap --version. See, we have installed nmap on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Its version is 7.9.2, 7.92. Okay, to check list of the services running on this PC, give the copy this IP and give it here. It is fetching the services information. Okay, these are the list of the services. Now check the operating system. With this command we can find the target operating system information. We haven't received any information. Suppose if you want to find, open quotes sudo nmap -s, then caps S, then give the IP, or simply give localhost. Both are same. See, these are the open ports. Also you can give the host name. Hit enter. So in this video we have seen how to install and the examples of nmap on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. The process is same for all Red Hat Enterprise Linux versions. Okay, for more videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you.